Hey friends, if you are in a dilemma whether to use the English US keyboard or the English International keyboard, then please watch this video. I will guide you through this dilemma. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to time and language, go to language and region, and you will have multiple options here like English USA and English from other countries. Now the main difference is that the English used in Canada, Australia, India, UK and other such countries are actually British English. They are English which were spoken in London and England. So it is a little different from US English. For example, if I use the word flavor and hit enter, you'll notice this red line below it, which means that the spelling is incorrect. Though I know that it's correct, but it's correct in English Commonwealth language, in the British English language, or Canadian or Australian English language. But if I delete O, it suddenly becomes American English. So there's a difference between American English and British English, and there is a difference in the spelling of many words. So you can choose accordingly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.